Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the currency rate for each country on Google Sheets. So just type in this formula, Google Finance, currency, USD. Hold on, I think I forgot to put, whoops, quotation mark, sorry. And then another quotation mark here, and then you're just going to press and. Select the currency code, close parentheses, press enter, and that's the current currency rate for a dollar in USD. This was the kind of the rate in other countries. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.